Okay, so the first thing you need to do is set your working directory. So select working directory, choose the computer number on the left, and then you must select your H drive, which you will see in the right hand side. Once you select a H drive, choose your technology folder and go all the way to your Creo folder, and then when you get there just press the blue OK button. Now choose New and name the part Bottle. Okay, first step is to choose the front plane, choose Sketch, choose the center rectangle tool, click on the middle, left click once and then left click once again to complete. Now choose the normal tool, and here you can set the dimensions. We're going to set it 180 millimeters tall, and we are going to set it 80 millimeters wide. Then press OK. Using the mouse wheel as a button, click down and rotate, and then press Extrude. Set the depth to 40 millimeters, then tick OK. Now hover over the front face, left click until it goes dark green, then choose Sketch. We're now going to sketch on that front surface. Choose the center rectangle tool again. This time click in the top left quarter and be careful not to link to the middle line. So you can come past it or you can come in. So now use the normal tool. We need to roll in and set dimensions. Total height will be 100 millimeters. Total width will be 30 millimeters. The distance from the middle we're going to make 40 millimeters, and then the distance from here we're going to make this -5, and now tick OK. Use the mouse wheel as a button, rotate and then press Extrude. The magnifying glass puts it in the middle. Push the extrude through the model and you can set the depth to 40 millimeters and then tick OK. This is a good time to save your work. Okay, now we are going to use the round tool. You select the round tool, you roll your mouse in, hover over the line, and when it goes green, click on it and set that dimension to 15 millimeters. Rotate around, choose the other side, set that to 15. Rotate underneath set that to 15, other side, set that to 15. Now tick OK. Now choose the round tool again, and now you're going to put a radius on the bottom, and we're going to make that 20 millimeters, and then choose the other side, and that will also be 20. Now tick OK. Okay, this time we're going to sketch on the top surface, so you hover over, left click until it goes dark green. Choose sketch. This time we are going to project lines onto the sketch. If you hover over, you will see the line appear. Click, and it has now brought an orange line into your sketch. Go to this right edge, and now it's brought an orange line in, and now to this bottom edge. So we've brought 3 lines. Now we're going to add an extra line. Click, it's connected. Go across, you can see an M comes up, and then to disconnect you must press the wheel as a button. You must then choose delete segment to delete the 2 extensions, and then tick OK. If you rotate and then extrude, you will now have an extrusion 3D part. We're going to make that 50 millimeters. Okay, now we're going to add some shape to this form. The first one, again, we're going to use the round tool. We're going to go into this corner, and we're going to make this 10 millimeters. So change that to 10. Then we're going to go to this corner here, and we're going to make that 30 millimeters. So change that to 30. And then tick OK. Right, so we've got a shape starting to appear of the bottle. Now we're going to start to round off the whole shape. So we're going to use the round tool again, hover over the edge, and here you will see it hasn't added a round, so we have to change the dimension. It needs to be a lot smaller than 30. So we're going to make this, can you try 18 millimeters? And you can see now on the screen it is working. I'm going to come across to the other side and do 18 again, and now we've rounded off the whole shape. I'm happy with that. Tick OK. This is a good time to save. Again, go File and Save, and it will go to your working directory. Okay, now we're going to round the inside of the handle. Again, we are using that round tool again. This time the dimension needs to be 10 millimeters. And click on the edge. Make sure you're clicking the edge. And that has created quite an interesting shape, but that is not what I want. So that means the measurement needs to be less than 10. So I'm going to try 8. Still too much. I'm going to try 5, and there we go. So 5 millimeter works for my design, so please can you do that? And now 5 on the other side. Tick OK. Okay, so there's the shape of the bottle. Now we're going to remove the material, which is called shelling, so it becomes a hollow object. I'm going to hover over, click on the surface, press shell, and there you can see the product is now hollow and the wall thickness is 3.08. I'm going to change that to 2 millimeters, so it's thinner material, and press OK. that is the end of the demonstration. I will show you how to put text on it in the next video.